Hey friends, if you wish to install Kali Linux in VirtualBox on your Windows PC, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So go to kali.org and click on the download button here. Okay, and then you can use this recommended one for virtual machines. And you wanted to download VirtualBox, so VirtualBox is here. Okay, you can download it from here. It's a 7Z file, so you'll need what do we say, 7-zip installer to open it. So here's what I will suggest. Go to 7zip.com and click on the download button and download the latest option and click on open and click on install, and this will be sufficient to install it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.